It's a cold, frosty start this morning, and then it turns wet and windy from the west. I'll have all the details of that and more coming up on Good Morning Britain.
Wednesday.
With Laura.
It's cold.
It is chilly there, but it's set to turn pretty wet and windy. There may be some euphemisms in there. Here's the details. Yes, a bit of a frosty start first thing this morning, one where you may well need to scrape your windscreens. And these are the temperatures we'll be waking up to. Milder in the north and west with cloud, widely below freezing across much of Scotland, England and Wales. The coldest place, -5 in Benson at the moment. And you don't have to go to Iceland to see the Northern Lights, because across northern Scotland there is a good chance of seeing them overnight tonight. Around about midnight is the strongest that they'll be, also happening in Iceland, Greenland as well. And the skies are set to be difference in temperatures. 5s and 6 in the cold east, but mild 10 or 11 in the west. So let's take a look at our 7-day outlook to see how things pan out. And the big trend is how much milder it is set to get. So looking across the north of the UK, first of all, Scotland, Northern Ireland, northern areas of England, this is where our temperatures should be for the time of year. We're finally at or above average after being below for the last 10 days or so. Now, percentage chance of rainfall is high. We have bands of rain and showers moving in for the next few days. The weekend, actually, looks like it should turn that bit drier. Fortunes further south for England and Wales as we head through the next 7 days. Again, looking at our temperatures compared to where they should be for the time of year. And we are sitting above average or around about average. Next week, yes, it turns back to the colder conditions we've been so used to. But it's the Atlantic that battles back with the milder weather. So we have bands of rain and then some showers as we head through to Friday. But Sunday looks like the next time you'll have some drier weather in the south. Good morning to you. It is a cold, frosty start this morning. A widespread frost for England, Wales and Scotland. Temperatures way below freezing. But there's sunshine greeting us. And as we head through the day, it turns increasingly wet and windy. So England and Wales, sunshine from the word go. But in short supply by this afternoon as this band of rain through Northern Ireland, Scotland, then moves its way through Wales and the southwest of England. It will move its way across the southeast later. And look at this divide in temperatures. 5s or 6 in the chilly, sunny east, but 10 or 11 in the cloudy, mild west. That's it for me for now. There's plenty more still to come. You're watching Good Morning Britain. Good morning. Cold and frosty, the name of the game across much of the UK. The blue showing first thing this morning, a widespread frost. You need to scrape your windscreens and grab those sunglasses because it is crisp, cold and sunny. The cold replaced over the next 24 hours by this yellow. Welcome back to Good Morning Britain. It is a cold, frosty start this morning thanks to clear skies overnight. Temperatures widely fell below freezing. But as we head through the day and the next 24 hours, it is set to warm up pretty dramatically. But that brings with it some rain. And today is that day of change. We start with the radar clear skies for much of England and Wales, where we've had that frost first thing. Plenty of sunshine, but grab an umbrella. You will need it because here comes our band of rain. Moving through Northern Ireland this morning. A wet afternoon to come for much of Scotland, Wales and the southwest of England. And look at these temperatures. In this milder air, 10 or 11 degrees, but still holding on to that cold 4 or 5 in the east. This evening and overnight, the whole band of rain moves through, and that means it is a frost-free, cloudy, mild and fairly wet night to come. And tomorrow, cloudier for all of us with temperatures way up on today, 14 or 15 degrees.